Good morning. Pura vida. My name is Melissa Cochran, and today we will be traveling through the tropical lands of San Jose, Costa Rica. I will be providing you with an inside peek on the traditions, beliefs, and cultures of the people, also known as the Ticans, and the habitat in which they reside, and also the food and drink in which the Costa Ricans live off of. So today we will begin with the habitat. The habitat of Costa Rica is mostly lowland jungles. They do have some arid mountains, plenty of volcanoes. They have about 61 volcanoes that are dormant, and they have 6 active volcanoes to date. They also have very, very many tropical birds in Costa Rica. They have 800 different species of bird, and 650 of those are non-migratory, meaning that they are constantly living in Costa Rica. The clay-colored thrush is the name of the national bird of Costa Rica. 25% of Costa Rica, which is among the highest in the world, is national park, meaning that they are not able to build or do anything with that land except leave it as national habitat. They receive 2 to 40 earthquakes every day in Costa Rica. Most of them are not able to be felt, but some of them can be up to about a 5 on the Richter scale. Very beautiful lands, and yeah, like I said, active volcanoes that you can see. The food and drinks of the Costa Ricans are, their main staple food is, they call it gallo pinto, which are black beans and rice, which they eat for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner in different dishes, in different variations of the food. They also eat very many, they call them maize, which are tortillas, which they use for their breakfast wraps. They use them at lunch. They use them at dinner. Arroz con pollo, which is chicken with rice, is one of their main staple dishes as well. And they have a dessert that they make with rice and cream, sugar, milk. Very good. I've actually had it myself. Coffee is the main export of Costa Rica. Their coffee is phenomenal. They have volcanic soil, which allows the coffee plantations to grow. That is why it is their biggest export. It was brought to them by other cultures, and the volcanic soil ended up being so awesome for the growth of the plant that they continue to keep plantations there, and which is now, like I said, their biggest export. Fruits are very plentiful in Costa Rica. They have a ton of different types of tropical fruits, which I will be showing you later. Some of which you had never even heard of. Others, bananas, which is another main export of theirs. And the basics, mangoes, papaya, and that sort of thing. The traditions, the cultures, and the people. Costa Rica is mostly a Catholic religious-based setting, and they celebrate Easter, they celebrate Christmas. These are some of their biggest celebratory holidays. They also celebrate the arrival of Christopher Columbus to the new lands, and they call that the Day of Culture Encounter. They also have the Fiesta de los Diablotos, where everybody dresses up, and it's basically like the Day of the Dead, but the Day of the Small Devil is which it translates to, which is celebrated on December 30th of every year. And I will be showing you a small slide on the cultures. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed learning about San Jose, Costa Rica. Have a great day.